Yeah. Alright, SolidWorks beginners, you're here to learn how to move a body in SolidWorks. So for that, I have created two cubes with a distance from each other. Now, I'm gonna go over this feature that allows you to move these bodies together or away from each other. But before I do that, I have to teach you two important points. One would be where to find this feature, because this is not a standard feature on your standard default menu in SolidWorks. And second would be this feature has two sub-features. You can move a body in SolidWorks through two different methods. One would be through constraints, something like assembly mating, and the other one would be freely dragging or rotating the part. I'm going to cover all of that. Bear with me. First, where to find this feature. You will see it in my menu because I have added it here. You don't have it here. If you want to add it here, right click on the menu, click on customize, go to commands, go to features, and you will find it here. Then whatever you see here, you can drag and drop into your menu. Then it will stay there. I have done it before, so I have moved copy bodies, which is the feature, by the way, I forgot to mention that allows you to move a body in SolidWorks. Or you can actually change this here to commands, move, type move, and then you will see move copy bodies, or you can go to insert, you can go to features, and you will see it here, move copy ... Okay, so open the feature. First of all, as I told you, there are two modes in this feature. One would be through drag and dropping, which we are at the moment. You can click on a body, you will see a coordinate system appears on it, which allows you to drag the part in any way you want, and you have the option to copy it or not. If you click copy, you have also the option to assign the number of copies you want to create, and every time you create a new instance, it will create a new body with the same distance that you have adjusted from the original one. That's for one. Another important thing is you have the option to drag and you have the option to rotate, and rotate is here. The limit to this feature is you cannot use both drag and rotating at one go. Because if I drag this part, let's just reduce it to 1. If I drag this part and at the same time I want to rotate it, it will jump back to its original position, because I have to either rotate it, click OK, use the feature again, and drag the rotated part, or the other way around, but I cannot do it under one go. That's for sure. So this was the first mode of this feature. The second mode of this feature will be available once you click on this button in the property manager of the feature called constraints. Remember that mode, the first mode we did, you can switch back to it by clicking on the button translate rotate, and this one that I'm going to tell you can be achieved by clicking on the button constraints. So constraint, as I mentioned before, this is something like assembly mode, mating. So you pick one part in the first box, and in the second box you have to define what constraints to use to bring it to the other one. Assuming we want to place this part exactly on top of the green cube. So I would say these faces, this one and this one, are in the same plane already. So I want this one to sit on this one. It already moved up. So you click on add. And the other one would be, I want this surface to be on this surface. And you click on add. This is another way of moving it, basically. So that was it. If you liked this video and it was quick, fast, and efficient, like and subscribe to this channel, and make sure to go to the link in the description and check the website, because I upload weekly tutorials for SolidWorks, mostly beginners, but also we don't forget about intermediates and professionals, and these are very unique product designs that you don't find anywhere else on the internet, because we create them and we create step-by-step tutorials out of them. Hope you liked this video. See you next week. Bim bam 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 boom boom. Oh, this is SolidWorks with Ryan. I forgot. Bam 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 boom.